Quite a while ago, we had a bunch of little refrigerators that we would hold all of our stuff in, and then we went to a large walk-in refrigerator that we had a lot of wire carts sitting in, and we would have each one dedicated with a bunch of racks on there for each of the samples that came in for that particular day. And it wasn't very efficient or effective. It was kind of a transition period because we had one way when we used to be a lot smaller and have a lot less specimens. We've had a lot of growth over the past 5 to 10 years, and so we kind of outgrew our storage system, and we had to, advance that a little bit. So we kind of just were thinking what's going to be the easiest way to store as many samples as we can in the current amount of space that we have. And a walk-in refrigerator was the easiest way of doing it. It has a trolley system where we log all of our samples on the same racks that we actually used to use before, and we kind of had them custom fit to the racks that we use. And now you can put everything onto that cart and it rolls up and down, and you can have multiple people looking at samples all at the same time. And it's just kind of easy for us to have a visual of where it all matches up. One thing that was extremely beneficial for me in my shift is we do retrievals, and retrievals are basically when a doctor orders another test and we have to pull off of an old sample to run that. We have to go and find the sample in that system. So if we have it, that's really organized and it's easy to pull, we can do it a lot faster. So we're able to do a lot more retrievals in a lot shorter period of time, which is obviously going to increase, productivity on the floor, and then it makes the doctors happier too because they get their results faster. During the install process, we wanted to make sure that we had enough room to store the amount of samples that we originally had intended to store. So throughout, everybody was really professional. They jumped on it right away. They would call us back immediately. All the tech guys that came out to work on stuff, they were really good about making sure everything got done right. And we over doubled the amount of capacity we can hold. I think it was 150% growth from our original storage to what we can store now. So it was a lot of extra space. And at the end of the day, we got a really good product that we're happy with.